Good afternoon. So yes, I'm Doug Greif with Hair Science. I guess I need to find this. So we've heard a lot about all the new technology for hair. I'm going to talk a little bit more old schools, and that's topicals. Topicals help maintain all of the new technology we just saw, putting in new hairs, but you still need something for home care. So this all started 25 years ago when minoxidil was introduced as Rogaine, had FDA approval for hair loss. And already at that point, there were a lot of researchers doing studies on how to improve Rogaine and minoxidil. And one of the ways they discovered to do this was to add either retinoic acid or tretinoin, and that would potentiate the action of minoxidil. The only bad news was it was very unstable, and they had to put it in things like propylene glycol and citric acid. But it was a good concept. So then about 20 years ago, a pharmaceutical company in South America discovered a unique and proprietary way to make the formulas more stable when you put minoxidil with tretinoin. And they used steroid. They also used some other variations, as many as actually 84 variations over a long period of time. So in 2009, we brought Hair Science into the U.S. because we thought their technology of being able to solubilize the minoxidil and add these other ingredients like tretinoin and also a weak steroid, that we could make this a great topical improvement over Rogaine. So with the assistance of Dr. Mark Rubin, who is a noted dermatologist, and Master Farm Compounding Pharmacy, which was our first compounding group, we modified the original formulas to make them even better for the U.S. market, putting them in a biodegradable base instead of propylene glycol, and making it less problematic, as a lot of topicals had caused in the past. So the first version of our formulas was Formula 82M, and that's minoxidil, tretinoin, and a little bit of a steroid. And then after that, we decided to add finasteride. A lot of people have been taking Propecia, and we found that topical finasteride was could be as effective, but with fewer side effects. So 82F was our second product, and then more recently, with the help of Dr. Alan Bauman, we added dutasteride, which is a little bit better version of finasteride, many people felt. It's a dual action alpha reductase blocker. And so these are our core products right here, and they're all compounded prescription products. And our core team is, of course, me. Our director of market research is Michael Carnahan. He is also our IT guru. And Tom Mastanduano, a pharmacist with over 30 years of retail and compounding experience, and he is our director of sales and product development. Dr. Rubin, who's been a co-founder, is a well-known dermatologist, also an associate professor of dermatology at Vanderbilt, and he's been our advisor for all things dermatologic with our topicals, and our primary advisor for all of our hair restoration ideas and support is Dr. Alan Bauman. So I mentioned we're a compounded product. We only have one U.S. compounding partner, and that's Anazao Health. So the physicians send their prescriptions into Anazao and they're shipped to the patient. In Canada, we have Pure Pharmacy. Pure Pharmacy handles all of Canada. By only having a limited number of companies that are privy to our protocols, we have been able to keep our solubilizing and stabilizing process a trade secret for 12 years. But the question is, why do doctors choose our formulations when other pharmacies offer similar ingredients, often at a lower cost? So in a 2-year retrospective study of over 400 patients, Dr. Alan Bauman said, Formula 82M has the ability to achieve better results and greater patient satisfaction. And I think that's it in a nutshell right there. And he has told me that the key to any topical is usability. And if the patient will use it consistently and it gives them good results, then you've got a winner. And so that's what we have. Here are our outcomes. This is the original 82M after about 6 months of patients, some men, some women. We think they're pretty great results. And these are 82F products results, 82F post before and afters. And I'm going to thank Dr. Sam Lamb for these. And on the eyebrows, Dr. Leonardo in Canada has been experimenting with eyebrows, and he's happy with his results as well. More recently, we added Formula 82S, hair loss shampoo to go along with our prescription products. These are over the counter. We provide these direct to physicians and also to consumers through Amazon. And I feel with eco-certified cleansers to be very gentle on the hair. We use 2% saw palmetto for our DHT blocker, and it's got 3 conditioners, so it's a 2-in-1 product, and I use it every day. So we have a lot of digital assets, and from what I've seen in the earlier talks today, social media presence needs to be increased. And we have a nice website, physician locator on it, so that patients can go to our website and find where they can find someone to prescribe our products. And we do a lot of advertising, attend some good trade shows that are pertinent to our market, and a lot of collaterals for the patient to give to their patients. So we've tried to protect our products as much as we could. We have our prescriptions are trade secret, so they're not patented. But 82M, 82F, 82D, and our name are all trademarked. And we now have over 500 registered physicians actively prescribing 12,000 prescriptions per year. And all this is done with a very small core team, as I showed you, and virtually no sales force. We are profitable, and we're currently looking for a strong marketing partner. And of course, we're open to acquisition. If you want to learn more about us, you can go to www.hairscience. And of course, I'll look forward to talking to anybody that would like to know more about our company. Thank you.